Let the trees teach you patience. Growth takes time. Roots go deep before branches climb. Let the wind remind you you can change your way. Shift your speed, find a brighter day. Lessons from nature guiding my soul, teaching me stories that make me whole. From the sun to the stars, the ocean wide, I carry their wisdom deep inside. Let the flowers show you beauty fades and blooms. Not every season fills the room. Let the ocean whisper calm and chaos too. Gentle waves, but storms break through. Let the clouds teach release when the weight is strong. Let the stars show the dark helps the light belong. Let the sun remind you, no matter how far you fall, it rises again, shining over all. Lessons from nature guiding my soul, teaching me stories that make me whole. From the sun to the stars, the ocean wide, I carry their wisdom deep inside. So, whoa, oh, oh. Listen to the earth, it's speaking clear. Patience, strength, release, appear. Nature is amazing, it's always near, teaching us lessons year after year.